Select the column marquee tool, go to top left and select New, then 4 pixels, then click the document and add a selection. Go to top left and click Add, and then repeat that. Create multiple additions to that selection. They're all the same selection. Then go to the Tools panel and select the Row tool, Row Marquee tool. And then repeat, add in row. Make certain it's 4 pixels in the height as well as Add is still on. You've got your Crosswire design. Go to Layer menu and New Pattern Layer from Selection. Go to the Move tool and then you can resize it. You can also rotate it and shear it. You can also go to the top left and select Mirror. Make certain that's on. Don't have to, but you can put Mirror on. And also you can hold down the Alter Option key and drag to duplicate it. And you can create 5, 10, 100 copies of that pattern layer. And you can rotate it and scale it, so millions of different designs can be created. And once you're happy with that, you can go to the Layers panel and you can select all those pattern layers. So all can be selected, then go to Layer menu and Merge Selected. So all become one pattern layer. It's still mirror, and you can repeat that. Hold down the Alter Option key and duplicate that design. You can also rotate it and scale it. And as before, once you're happy with your design, you can go to the Layers panel, select all the patterns. Then go to Layer and Merge Selected. And you can continue to modify this. You can rotate it. You can also duplicate it if you wish to continue doing that. But you also apply effects to it. Just go to the Filters menu and you can apply Deform, Mirror, all kinds of different effects. So Filters, Distort and Deform, and add some pins. Also go down there and Similarity for the Deform. And then you can drag and move them around to distort the design in all kinds of ways. Once you're happy with the design, click Apply. And you can continue to modify that, but you can also merge visible via the Layer menu and repeat Deform.